Learn English. Hello everybody. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. It's Friday, January 10th. Show number 10. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a person that makes books. And the second one means a great amount. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is a writer. Jennifer is a writer. Writer. We don't pronounce the W. She creates books and stories with a pen or a word processor. Now let's make a flashcard for writer. Please write writer up here in the top left corner. W-R-I-T-E-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. Over here in this corner, the number 78 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part on the top sounds like I. Writer. What about you? Do you want to be a writer one day? Let me know in the comments. Now let's begin word number 2. Please listen. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We have much rice. We have much rice. Much. We have plenty of rice. We have many kilograms of rice. We use much for uncountable nouns. Much rice, much water. Now let's make a card. Please write much up here in the top left corner. We say much water. We don't say much pens. We say many pens. Down here in this corner, GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. Over here, the number 68 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here is the IPA. Much. Game over. Thank you for watching. Bob, when he gets older, he wants to be a writer. Very nice. And we have very much rice. Yes, many kilograms of rice. If you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is a place where you can use a toilet. Number 2 is an adjective pertaining to people. And number 3 is a thing you wear on your wrist To keep the time, do you wear one? Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. My name is Vinny from Canada. Bye-bye, everybody.